Artoonza.
Glitter cartoon Grim Reaper, but make it adorable and sparkly. Yes, we're giving the spooky cutie a glam makeover with black markers, glitter glow, and a tiny naughty vacuum that snacks on runaway sparkles. Then we drip red acrylic like dramatic ketchup confetti, swipe glossy brown nail polish like a dessert topping, paint with brushes like tiny superheroes, and finish with glitter black nails so fabulous even shadows ask for selfies. Watch closely, giggle loudly, and let this sweet, silly Reaper steal hearts, not souls. Our tiny vacuum is not naughty, it's glitter hungry. Nom nom nom, let's go! Subscribe now so we can keep sharing fun stuff with you. Ready to splash some color? Let's color together. Sharp lines incoming. Our Grim Reaper just got his eyeliner upgrade. Plop, plop, drama drop. It looks like spooky ketchup, but way fancier. One swipe and boom, the Reaper is serving glossy runway vibes. Give us a big thumbs up. It's sticky, it's shiny, it's adorable. Okay, fine, I love it. Shh, don't tell my mom. Brush, brush, swish. Now it's less ketchup, more spooky masterpiece. Color, color, color. This is so amazing. Final sparkle coat. So shiny, even ghosts would stop and say, ah! I know you've got this. I'm sure you can do it even better than me. A big kiss to everyone. See you next time. Thanks for watching. We hope you had fun.